In this video, we will look at quotient rule of differentiation. We use the quotient rule when we have a function in the form that f of x equals u of x over v of x, which means that one function is being divided by another function. The rule says that dy dx, which is f prime of x, will be equal to v of x multiplied by u prime of x minus u of x multiplied by v prime of x all over v square of x. I know it looks like so many v's and u's and x's, but let's see it in action. In our example, y equals x plus 6 over x. In this case, the numerator is u and the denominator is v. Our du dx would be us differentiating the numerator. And what we'll have is, remember that x is the same thing as x power 1. So we have 1 multiplied by x power 0. And then remember that when you're differentiating a constant, you have 0. Now, dv dx, on the other hand, would also be 1 multiplied by x power 0. And this gives us 1, while dv dx also gives us 1. So applying quotient rule, we'll have that dy dx equals, remember v has to come first and v is x. So x multiplied by u prime of x, or du dx, which is 1 as we've seen here. So multiplied by 1 minus u of x, which is x plus 6. Let's put that in a bracket. And dv dx is also 1. And then it's divided by v square of x. So, and that would be x squared. So when we simplify, we'll have x minus x plus 6 all over x squared, which gives us x minus 6 over x squared, and that is minus 6 over x squared. Let's attempt another example. For our second example, we have that y equals x power 3 minus 1 over x squared. Remember that u will be the numerator and v will be the denominator. Therefore, du dx, which is the same thing as u prime of x, will be equal to, bring down our 3 multiplied by x power 3 minus 1, which is 2, which is 3x squared, and dv dx, which is our v prime of x, will be equal to, bring down our 2 multiplied by x power 2 minus 1, which is 1. So at the end of the day, we have 2 power x. So putting it all together, we have that dy dx would be, first of all, we have our v of x, which is x squared. So that's x squared multiplied by du dx, which is 3x squared, minus u of x is x power 3 minus 1, and then dv dx is 2x, all over the square of our v of x. So that's x squared power 2. So if we expand the brackets, we'll have on the top 3x power 4 minus 2x power 4 minus 2x all over x power 4. So that's 3x power 4 minus 2x power 4 plus 2x all over x power 4. And that leaves us with x power 4 plus 2x over x power 4.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.
If you have any questions or you need direct math tutoring, feel free to email us at durotutors@gmail.com. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep Doroing.